Be a game for the Kias, but for many captive parrots, it's a sign of boredom, and boredom can lead to madness. At Tony Van Meegen's Parrot Refuge in Holland, they receive 250 problem parrots a year. That's a lot of very disturbed birds. These parrots have been caged up for long periods alone and unloved. A terrible mental torture for these intelligent and sociable birds. Now they are insane. Many repeat the same movements over and over, or inflict wounds upon themselves. After quarantine, they are brought into the asylum. The aim is to give these casualties of human indifference as normal a life as possible. They're placed with a few other birds of their own kind, a big step for parrots that have lived alone their entire lives. After 6 months, the birds are moved to these large outdoor aviaries. This is a retirement home where they can live out their lives with a few companions. Most of the parrots respond well to this type of therapy, but for some, it's too late. These birds have pulled their own feathers out and will probably never recover from a life of neglect. Many parrot owners, however, are devoted to their pets.